It was in response to the Enlightenment, and in a lesser degree to the printing press and sudden availability of the Bible to the masses, that the new institution of systematic theology was born, theoretically, to counter the Enlightenment. Systematic theology is the Christian version of the Jewish Talmud. It is a written system of man-made answers and doctrines brought about by our accepted and revered religious authorities and thought to properly dispense the mind of God to his followers. And while the intent may have seemed good, and although many passages of Scripture were invoked, it's brought a lot of pain and confusion and distortion of truth to believers of every branch of Christianity. It has weakened our faith. It's stunted our maturation process. One of the underlying tenets of many Christian systematic theologies is that the Old Testament has been replaced by the New. And as secular humanism was the agenda that the Enlightenment sought to bring about, in a strange way, the concept of a systematic theology has unknowingly aided it by replacing obedience to the Father with nearly unfettered liberty in Jesus. The plan has been a rousing success, to say the least. So do not think that such a belief that the Old Testament is dead and gone comes from ancient times. In fact, that notion is only about 250 years old. It was unknown to our church fathers.